Up for sale, 1954 Mercury Monterey. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 54 Mercury Monterey, finished in beautiful factory colors. The original 256Y block, Mercury-o-Matic automatic. And as always, go around and tell everything I do know about it, put anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, we will start her in the front as always. And let me just appreciate this paint. Beautiful factory color coming out of 1954. The little bit of pearl in there, the dark green when you look at it at one angle, then you get a little bit of that lighter green at the other angles. Two-door, hard top, of course. Right hubcaps on there. But anyway, starting here, let's just focus on the chrome bumper for right now. Chrome is super nice. Now what you see on the exterior is really, really nice. In here, this section, I think this might be a separate piece than this. This could be a very rare kind of original piece. You see it's got a little bit of like that on there, while this maybe could have been re-chromed. I'm not really sure. But I know, some of these older cars, chrome isn't replaced and remade and stuff like that. Oh, that comes off. Yeah. Anyway, and you see the same little bit for this piece here. It's an absolutely beautiful older restoration, and by going around it, looking at it, underneath it, running and driving, very well maintained. A couple little marks on that edge there, and actually I see a few more there. It's got dual exhaust on there. It actually has headers on there, reds. They must be an older set because I've never heard of them. But the paint shines beautifully. It's a 12-volt electric as well, which is a bonus. Electric fuel pump, so it makes starting it so much easier. This piece of chrome up here is beautiful. See a couple little marks there. And then I know there's a few touch-ups right over here. No cracks in the glass. No rust underneath the car. Actually, it's got all original undercoating, which is nice to see. Okay, I need two hands because I need to. Oh no, I could balance it with my head. There we go. 256, smooth as silk. And it's got a nice little rumble. It's got stainless steel exhaust with Smitty's. That's right. I just remembered that. I took a picture of the carburetor. It's nice in here. It's clean. The engine, I was told, was rebuilt, which by looking at the way it's painted could be the truth. Runs like it does. I noticed this interesting stamping here on the firewall. I took a picture of it. I don't know if it's of importance, but it's painted nicely back there as well. Like all this looks nice here. Inner fender walls look nice. You see there, the bushings look newer in the suspension, so like maybe that was redone at some point. The carburetor, beautiful carburetor. I took a picture of that. Trying to think if there's anything else that jumps out at me. Underhood, I mean, there's a little things splattered on it, but the black is very nice. Like it was nicely painted when it was done. And I'm actually going to go ahead and fire it up now, just let you guys hear it. The guy owned it for not too long. He bought it specifically because he loves these controls on the dash, and he said his father was a World War II tail gunner, and it kind of reminded him of the controls that the father would tell him about. Kind of cool. You see the electric pump kick on and then fires right up. So quiet. And it's just got a nice little rumble out the back. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite thing on the car. Mercury stamped into the bumper, and this bumper is just fantastic as well. down the driver's side of the car as always. I wanted to see something here. I was right, that was a little bit of buffing compound. I had a feeling. Little mark right there. Look at the quality of the paint though. How clear you can see myself in this dark green paint. Later on, I want to find out exactly what the color name is. Just out of curiosity, it'd be good to note as well. Look how straight the body is. I mean, there's a little ripple because again, it's an older restoration, but just the quality of the paint that they used for this is very impressive. Again, no cracks in the glass. All this kind of trim is in nice condition. Again, you know, nice there, nice there. It reminds me somewhat of a 51 Ford Victoria I had. And when I saw this on like the Mercury version, I'm like automatically better. No offense to you Ford guys out there. Look how nice this lines up. Look at that. How mint that is. Weather stripping's nice. No painted over bolts. That's what I just noticed that for the first time now. But again, I'm talking about the kind of quality paint that they used when they restored it back in the day. And then you see that, then it starts to make sense. Door panel's nice. It's not ripped up. You know, a couple little marks on it. Here's your tag. I took a picture of that. All the paint in here is nice. Paint in there is nice. And you back out a little bit. It's like a cream and green bench seat. Very, very nice condition. No rips on it. Carpet looks relatively new. No rips in the carpet. Very clean as well. It's like a forest green carpet that you see. Now you get in here. I would have to say it's probably the original steering wheel. And I love to see it still with the car. See the shifter up there? All those controls. This is just ahead of its time the way it looks. Painted. Super nice. The radio doesn't work. That's, you know, expected. Visors look nice. Both dome lights work. And then, ow, God, I just hit my head on the steering wheel. And it has the same, it's like a 50s thing I've noticed. A couple little stains around that headliner. The last car I've seen that in was a 55 Oldsmobile. So that's why I'm saying it's light, because to me, that's what I think. The door panels look fantastic. The back seat looks like it was never sat in. Seat backs look great. I'm rushing because I got a phone call coming in. I'm going to pause it right now. Anyway, going back at it. Grab the key to show you the trunk. Doors closed solid. Oh, let me show you the top of the car, actually. We'll do that first. Rails look nice. Paint on top is nice. The way the seal lines up to the paint, that fits super nice. So anyway, jumping back down here. Came off. No bubbles. Oh, I'm sorry. One bubble. No bubbles there. I showed you the chrome already. This chrome piece is super nice. I notice there's a little blemish right there, but let me pop the trunk quickly. Yeah, it's fine. Spare trunk. It's not the prettiest trunk, but it's painted black. It's very solid finish. In here looks nice. It's solid as a rock. I could get in here and jump up and down in it if I wanted to. Love the color on this pair. Mercury-o-Matic. Look at how clear the paint is. Little mark right there. And then I know just a couple little bubbles right there on that lip. Little mark right there. Mark right there. Again, lines up so nice. Rails look nice, top looks nice. I know there's just a couple little minor bubbles here. See, not painted over. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you'd like to check it out, let us know. 54 Mercury, ignore my Windex model. 54 Mercury Monterey, finished in factory colors. 256 Mercury-o-Matic automatic, 12-volt electric. Throw that back in there. Lines up super nice. And if I didn't already mention it, it has radial tires. So thank you for watching, and we are going to drive it now. Thank you. That makes sense. That makes sense. I was trying to figure out why it's more fun than the Victoria hardtop I had. And that's because The Victoria was a flathead.
Oh yeah, no,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Let's go see if anybody's here.
Look at the lady in the middle of the road.
Was she working in here?
No, it was the next one right here.
Oh, that's part of.
No, it wasn't that building there. Yeah, it was that one. Yeah.
I'm gonna go say hi.
The lady.
For Ramon's deal there.
Uh huh.
He would have no shoe.
I know, because you know why? Because he just went to the bathroom.
Well, they were under the desk.
Uh huh.
For somebody that's fasting, he got chubby. Turn left and go back again.
Turn left, yeah.
I love saying that. Don't mind if I.
Because it was one of the funniest things I've said.
Hot Rod Monterey.
Hot Rod Monterey.
Got a nice steering wheel.
Yeah. It's got good pickup too, actually.